Hello friends, welcome to another video of my channel, that is Biologist Harish. In this video tutorial, we are going to tell something about the application of the biotechnology, that is BT cotton, which is the most important application of biotechnology in the direction of a crop production. Before you know about the application of biotechnology, we must know that what is biotechnology. Biotechnology is defined as the generation of a useful product or services by using biological organisms or microorganisms or cell or tissue or plant or animals. This is the definition of biotechnology. Then biotechnology, the father of biotechnology, is known as Paul Berg. At first, the term biotechnology was given by Carol Erke, which is a Hungarian engineer. Carol Erke given the term biotechnology. Then application of biotechnology. Biotechnology has application in four major industrial areas including healthcare, medical, crop production, and agriculture and environmental uses. In crop production, one of the most important uses of biotechnology is BT cotton. Then the introduction. BT cotton is a genetically modified cotton variety which produces an insecticide to bollworm. It is named as BT cotton due to the presence of a toxic compound in BT toxin cotton plant. This BT toxin is derived from a bacteria, that is Bacillus thuringiensis, which causes the death of the insect like larvae of moths, beetles, cotton bollworms, and fruit flies. Thus, it acts as an insecticide to this type of insects. So, BT cotton is a genetically engineered cotton variety. Then we should know something about the BT. Generally, BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, which is discovered by Italian scientist Isuatari in 1901. This bacterium produces an insecticide like crystal protein, which is known as cryoprotein. This is the whole figure of a Bacillus thuringiensis, which carries a ribosome, plasmid, DNA, and which also contain endosperm. Then description. Bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis produce over 200 different types of Bt toxin, and a specific Bt toxin gene compound is harmful to specific insect. This is the most important thing, that specific Bt toxin genes or compound is harmful to specific insects. For example, I am giving an example that one of the most important Bt toxin gene that is present in Bacillus thuringiensis, that is cry gene. There are three types of cry gene is present. One is cry1AB, cry2AB, and cry1AC. Out of these three genes, the Bt toxic compound which is secreted by cry1AC and cry2AB is a good insecticide against bollworm. Similarly, the insecticide which is secreted from cry1AB gene is a good insecticide against corn borer, which may use in corn plant. So, each gene has a targeted pest, so that we have to decide that which particular gene needs to be inserted in which type of a particular plant, depending upon the plant which is easily attacked by which types of insect. This is the most important thing. And some of the genetically modified crops besides this Bt toxin are Bt cotton, Bt corn, Bt rice, Bt potato, Bt tomato, etc. Then mechanism. We just divided this mechanism into two parts. One is how BT cotton is prepared, and the second one is how BT cotton causes death in insect. At first, we are going to study that how BT cotton is prepared. Generally, some plants like cotton, corn, potato, tomato have been genetically modified to produce their own BT toxin. That what scientists have done? That scientists copying some DNA from BT and insert them in plants DNA, and plants use this DNA as instruction manual to produce Bt toxin within their own tissue. You can understand the mechanism of Bt cotton preparation by looking this diagram, that how Bt cotton is prepared by in a laboratory in genetical engineering processes. Then the second phase of the Bt toxin mechanism, that is how Bt toxin causes death in insect. After plant producing Bt toxin within their own tissue, when the plant is attacked by insect, one of the most important insect is bollworm. which causes and diseases in cotton plant. This Bt toxin is taken up by insect, and this toxic compound is attacked with the some receptors which is present in the digestive tract of the insect. As a result, this toxic compound, that is Bt toxin, causes pores or holes on the digestive tract of the insect. As a result, the digestive wall break down so that the insect cannot take any food. As a result, the eventually the death of the insect happen. Here, may you have any questions that if Bt toxin is a toxic compound, that when it is present in that bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, why it causes any disease in the bacteria, but when it is present in the digestive tract or the insect size, it causes any disease. Why? What is the reason behind it? The reason is it is because that when Bt toxin is present in a bacterial cell, it is in inactive form, that is protoxin form, so it cannot cause any disease in the bacterial cell. But when Bt toxin is ingested or taken up by insect, then this protoxin is activated into toxic material due to the presence of some alkali pH in the digestive tract of the insect. We know that all invertebrate animals in the world contains alkaline pH in their digestive tract, so it makes a pore in the gut and of insect. As a result, the eventually they cannot take any food. As a result, the insect died. The main reason behind it. Then just look at the diagram that you can understand the mechanism that how Bt toxin causes death in insect. When the Bt toxic compound will be taken up by the insect, the Bt toxic compound which was in protoxin form or in inactive form is converted into active form, because due to the presence of the pH alkaline substance in the digestive tract of the insect. As a result, it causes pore on the digestive tract of the insect. As a result, eventually they cannot take any food and the death of the organisms happen. Then the history of Bt cotton. Bt cotton was first approved in field trials in 1992 and first commercial use in 1995 in United States. At first, in Chinese government, Bt cotton was approved in 1997, but in 2002, a joint venture between Monsanto and Mexico, Bt cotton was introduced in India. According to recent study in 2014, India is the largest producer of cotton and genetically modified cotton. About one third cotton that is produced by India in whole over the world. Next, the advantages of a Bt cotton. The important advantages of Bt cotton over non-Bt cotton are increase in yield of cotton due to the effective control of bollworms, obviously. Then second one is due to use of a Bt cotton, the spraying of insecticide is reduced, so the reduction of environmental pollution obviously occurs. Then third one is Bt cotton exhibit any genetic resistance which can face any type of environmental factors. Then fourth one is Bt cotton is eco-friendly in nature. You may have a question that what is eco-friendly? What is the meaning of eco-friendly? Eco-friendly means that it does not have any adverse effect on parasite, that which is beneficial insecticide and organism that is present in the soil. Then the disadvantages. Generally, Bt cotton has a rare limitation. High cost of a Bt cotton seed as compared to non-Bt cotton seed. This is the most important disadvantages of Bt cotton, that the seeds of Bt cotton is highly in cost. So farmers are not able to buy non-Bt cotton seeds to use in their field. Then second one is effectiveness up to 120 days. After that, the toxin producing efficiency BTG in it drastically reduces. Then the third one is, this is also another important disadvantage, that is it is ineffective against shocking pests like jassids, aphids, white fly, etc. So this is all about the Bt cotton, which is one of the most important application of biotechnology in a crop production. Hope you enjoy it and understand all the things. If you have any questions, then you may ask me in my comment box. Then I am trying my best to answer you. Then finally, thanks to all my supporters and friends from the bottom of my heart. Keep watching my channel Biologist Harish. If you like this video, then hit in the like button and subscribe my channel for new videos. Keep watching Biologist Harish. Thank you and thank you very much.